If you're thinking about quitting YouTube, watch this video till end. You might change your thoughts. And if you are making it when you're a new creator, watch this video till end. You'll get something out of it. Once there was a boxer named Tom. He used to practice day and night, waking up at 5 a.m., practicing, punching, everything. He was quite motivated and adrenaline rush, and he was like thinking the boxing match every day, that this will happen, that will happen, and working hard, and it felt so good to him. But suddenly one thing changed. You start to doubt that what if I got punched? What if something bad happens? What if the other opponent punches me and I get knocked out? And these things, when start to happen, you start to doubt, because in the longer run you need to have that confidence. Like everything in the life, you have to have confidence in yourself. After hard work of 1 year, the day came, the match was start, and he was fighting. First round he got punched, and the second round he started doubting himself again. What's gonna happen? In the third round he was punched, he punched the other guy as well, but he was in a severe thought process started for him, and he was doubting himself a lot, that this match I'm not gonna win. And still he made it to 5 rounds. And the fifth round he gave up. He said, no, I'm not gonna continue. It's like I'm gonna fall down to the ground and I cannot wake up, and that this will be the end. Basically, what happened, he lost the match, but he never knew that the other guy was about to quit in the sixth round. He was also exhausted. He had the same thoughts, but what he did was just continue one round more, and he won. And that's exactly what happens with YouTube. The new creator comes in, posts 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, or 10 videos maybe, or 20, 30, 40, and he gives up. He says, no, this is not for me. He never knew that the second or the third video which was going to come was going to get viral, and his whole channel was going to get viral at one point. But he never tried this thing, He stopped in the middle of it and says that, it's okay, fine. And you get the same thought. And if I'm not good enough, if my videos are not good enough, and maybe I'm not good at editing and everything. I'm going to make this video short, and let me tell you something. If you have started the YouTube channel, you want to quit it because of you think after 10 to 20, 30 videos your channel is not working, but fine. If somehow, let's consider the worst case scenario, if you're not good at videos, if your channel fails, you still become a good editor, better than the past of yourself, and you will become a good speaker. You can speak in front of a camera. You have more confidence that was not there before. If your channel does not work, you still get positive things out of it. But channel will work, I can guarantee you that. But consistency is the key. You have to be consistent at least for 1 year, at least for 100 videos. Make every video better than the last one, and there is no chance that YouTube will not basically throw your video out to people. YouTube is a platform who wants the creator and wants videos on it. So that's how they do business. And creators' problem is that we quit too quickly and too soon, right before our success hits us. We get bored of the video so quickly. Even if you are a creator yourself, you watch this video, you will not subscribe, you will not like, you will not comment. That is the dedication you need. You have to subscribe every other creator you see, if it is related to you, like the topics relate to you. You have to watch every video of that. Try to watch every video. Like you're watching this video, hit subscribe, like, and comment on this video. That will increase your engagement rate as well, not just mine, but most of people don't do that. And subscribing channels is very important, because every channel like mine is growing, and your channel is also growing. Even if you are a good creator, you already have subscribers and everything, but that does not matter. If you will comment on my video, I'll comment back. Maybe somebody else will comment on your video. Maybe something that you watch in this video, you mentioned that this part of the video was good, this part of the thing I like the most, and this is what I've got from the video. This comment is engaging, and YouTube knows that, algorithm knows that this guy who's creating something is also commenting on other videos as well. And most important is, if you press the bell icon, the first chance you get that if I have like 0 views on this channel, you are the first one to comment. That means that you have more engagement than others. Everybody who's coming here is gonna see your comment as well. So that's the basic thing. And just longer you stay on the videos and watch the videos, YouTube will also throw you videos like that, and you will get information from them too, and your engagement rate also increases. and be consistent. That's the most important thing. Comment on every video after uploading, uploading every I try to upload 2 to 3 videos a week. You try to upload that too. I will say whenever you have time, make 2 to 3 videos a week, and then after uploading that, write comment. First comment should be your own, right? And pin that comment, ask some question about it, and if somebody watches, it will answer your question as well, and that will help you. And then go and watch other videos after uploading. Comment like on 50 channels. For example, you're watching this video, subscribe and comment on this channel. I'll comment back on you, your comment. That will increase your engagement rate, and somebody might will come and check your channel as well. If your comment is sort of funny, I'll say like, what sort of videos he make. I'll just go and check his channel. What is he doing? If does he make videos as well? you know that's how you get engagement. You have to grab every possibility of success that you have there. That's how you grow on YouTube. So before quitting this, try my things for like about a month, and then see how it makes a difference. Till then, take care.